In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design About Us page in WordPress. We'll be working directly inside the WordPress dashboard to update an existing About page. This is a simple process, and it's a great way to make your website feel more professional and more personal at the same time. To get started, go to your WordPress admin area. Once you're logged in, you'll be on the main dashboard where you can manage your site's content, pages, and settings. This is the control center for your website, so if you're new to WordPress, don't worry, everything we need is easy to find. From the dashboard, click on Pages. This section contains all of the pages on your website, such as your home page, contact page, and of course, your About page. Opening the Pages area lets you view the full list and choose the one you want to work on. Next, find and select the About page. This is the page visitors usually check when they want to learn more about your business, brand, or story. Because of that, it's important that the page feels clear, welcoming, and aligned with the rest of your site. Once you've located the About page, click on Edit. This will open the page editor where you can change the text, adjust the layout, and update the information shown on the page. Depending on your WordPress setup, the editor may look slightly different, but the main idea is the same. This is where you customize the page content. Now go ahead and edit the title and the content. Start with the title if needed, making sure it clearly reflects the purpose of the page. In most cases, something simple like About Us works well, but you can customize it to match your brand voice. Then move into the content area and update the page text. This is where you can describe who you are, what your website or business is about, and what visitors should know about you. Try to keep the writing easy to read and organized in a way that flows naturally. Short paragraphs usually work better than large blocks of text, especially for online readers. As you make your edits, keep your audience in mind. Your About page should help build trust and give people a reason to connect with your brand. Focus on clarity and make sure the information is accurate and up to date. Once you've finished reviewing the title and content, your About page design is essentially ready, and that's how to design an About Us page in WordPress.